Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this cute look. It's so cute. My hair is so nice. So yes, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look, and I'm going to be using some Sulfur 8 products and showing you how those are helping me out throughout the way. Thanks Sulfur 8 for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it and stop talking. Alright, so here is my old frizzy hair that is in desperate need of a reset. I'm going to be using a selection of Sulfur 8 products that are going to promote a healthy scalp and also help with styling my hair. And I'm going to start out with the Sulfur 8 Deep Cleansing Shampoo. And yes, I am not new to Sulfur 8, and I'm sure you aren't either. I've been using Sulfur 8 since I was a child. The product I remember using most is the hair and scalp conditioner for anti-dandruff treatment, but I like how they have a number of different products that assist with maintaining your scalp's hair health, preventing itchy, dry, flaky scalp, and treating dandruff. But they also have a selection of products to help with styling your hair as well, so I really like that. This shampoo gets your hair very clean. I always do 2 lathers when I wash my hair. I make sure I focus on my scalp, get in between my twists, and then I also like to take the shampoo down the length of my hair to clean the rest of my hair. But yeah, this definitely gets your hair very, very clean and has your scalp feeling nice and healthy. Okay, so my hair is washed. It's just been drying. I love these little towels, by the way. I got this from, I think, Marshall's, but I really like these. So my hair has been in here just drying up. So yeah, this is my hair. My scalp is feeling and looking very nice, very clean. So my hair is already parted, so I'm just gonna clip it away. All right, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna moisturize my hair with the Sulfur 8 Medicated Anti-Dandruff Light Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. Just wanna put a little product, not a lot. Now I'm gonna spray my hair with the Sulfur 8 Fresh Medicated Anti-Dandruff Oil Sheen Moisturizing Spray. Now it says to spray evenly onto the hair before heat styling. So this, of course, is gonna treat itchy and dry scalp caused by dandruff. It's gonna hydrate your hair, improve shine. It's not greasy or sticky or tacky. And it helps to repair dry, damaged hair. So I love that. It doesn't say on here specifically that it is a heat protectant. So interesting, but it does say to spray evenly onto hair before heat styling. I sprayed a little on my hand earlier, and it is not a straight oil. It is definitely water based, so you don't want to put this on your hair when it's straight, or if you don't want your hair to sort of revert or have moisture in it. But this is definitely very lightweight. It's not sticky at all, which I like, and also it does have a little bit of like moisturizing oil in it, a little bit, but it's not just like a straight oil. So just the first ingredient is water, so just be mindful of that. I'm going to do this section first. I'm just going to spray this in my hair. Oops. And my hair is already detailed. I just want to go through it again before I blow dry it. Okay. And I'm going to use my Rev Air to blow dry my hair, and I'm going to put on like a 5 setting, so that's pretty high. The highest setting is, it goes from 0, which is off, so it's pretty much 1 to 7, and I'm going to use 5. Look at that, look at that. One thing I want to say, when I use the Rev Air, I like to sort of, when I know my section is dry and I can take it out of the blow dryer, I like to put it on this middle setting right here, which is cool air, just to further help seal my cuticle on the hair. So just a little side note right there. But I'm just going to keep on going, fully blow dry my hair, and then we're going to pretty much get to flat twisting so that my hair can set overnight and look amazing in the morning. So I pretty much have 3 sections on each side. So this is one section blow dried. So I'm just gonna twist this up just to sort of keep it from frizzing and keep it elongated and everything. And then I'm just gonna keep doing the same as I continue to blow dry the rest of my hair. All right, so my hair is fully blown or brushed out and blown out. So now I'm just gonna, I'm probably gonna do about 4 or 5 twists, because I don't want my hair to be too defined, but you know, I want it to be good enough. And I have fine hair, so I don't really need to do super small sections or anything. And it's gonna be an all night, so it's gonna have enough time to set in. So I'm gonna take my Sulfur 8 Medicated Light Formula Anti-Dandruff Scalp Hair and Scalp Conditioner. The oldie but goodie that we all know of. And I'm just gonna sort of like, and I'm just gonna moisturize my scalp with it before I twist. I want to make sure I get it in the front of my hair, because if I ever get flakes, it will be in the front for sure. So definitely want to make sure I get it all on my scalp. And I'm not using a lot, I just need a little. I don't need to go crazy, because I don't really like my hair being greasy and oily. So I'm just going to take my hair and I'm going to twist it to the back, because I want my hair to be sort of, I want it to be curling to the back. So yes, I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to start twisting, grab some hair. I'm going to twist. I'm going to grab another piece of hair, add it to a section, then twist. Grab another piece of hair, add it to the section, and then twist. And grab another piece of hair, this last section of hair here, add it to that section, and I'm just going to continue to twist all the way down. And voila, I'm done. There we go. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my hair. I'm going to continue to moisturize my scalp with my Sulfur 8 Medicated Hair and Scalp Conditioner, and we're just going to keep it rolling. All right, you guys, so I'm done. I have my hair twisted. I had to redo some twists to make them a little tighter, but I did 6 flat twists, and then I just did one right here to try and stop me from having like a super long part. So yes, that is it. I'm gonna wrap my hair. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap my hair tonight. I'm probably just gonna sort of do this. Let's see. So I'm just going to sort of like twist these to tighten them up. Bobby pin, secure it in place, and I think I should be good. All right, you guys, so my hair is wrapped. I'm done. Thank goodness. This is how I'm going to wear my hair tonight as I sleep. This process literally took me way too long because I kept getting distracted. It took me all day, so I'm happy to be done, and I'm really excited to see what my hair is going to look like in the morning because I have a feeling it's going to look real good. So I will see you guys in the AM. Hey you guys, so it is actually not the next day, it's the day after the next day because I literally didn't touch my hair yesterday, but I'm ready to like unravel this head wrap and see what it's looking like. So here we go. All right, so this is my hair and I'm gonna unravel it, but I'm gonna use some of this Sulfur 8 hair and scalp conditioner, just as I'm gonna get a little bit and just sort of rub it between my fingers just so that I can add a little shine to my hair. Ooh. Now this is definition. All right, so this is the first half and that is looking so pretty. All right, last one. Oh yeah. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna like touch up my hair a little bit. I'm not gonna do a lot to it because I wanna keep the definition, but I'm just gonna touch it up a bit. I'm just taking a little bit of this hair and scalp conditioner. Just gonna brush them. Nothing crazy. All right, you guys, so these are the results. This is my twist out and I am loving it. It's so cute. I like the amount of volume I have. It's not too much, but it's just enough. I love this look. So yes, these are the results. I'm really liking this twist out. My hair has a lot of movement. It's feeling very light on my head, not feeling heavy. My hair feels good and moisturized, but not oily. So I'm really loving that, and my scalp feels good. So yes, thank you Sulfur 8 for sponsoring this video and working with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get to try out this look. Sulfur 8 products are available at houseofbeautyworld.com, and you can also find them at your local beauty supply store. And honestly, if you can't find them, then just ask management, because most of the time they're able to point them out where they are, or they'll be happy to just get them in the store. So yes, definitely do that. And also, I'm having a giveaway. If you didn't notice, I just hit 40K on my YouTube channel, so this is a perfect time to do a giveaway. One lucky subscriber is going to be getting 4 Sulfur 8 hair products of their choice. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow Sulfur 8 on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so follow Sulfur 8 on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below letting me know you entered, and then I will randomly pick someone. I'll just notify you in the comments, and then you can just email me your info. We can coordinate on you getting your prize. All the details on this giveaway are going to be in the description box, like deadline and all that stuff. So yes, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to enter the giveaway. And thank you all for your support and everything, and me hitting 40K. Very happy about that. So yeah, I really appreciate the support and you guys watching my videos. More to come, but that is it, you guys, really, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and get to try it out because I'm feeling it. It's cute. So yes, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.